In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Woocommerce coupon with Klaviyo. To get started, make sure you are logged into your Klaviyo account and that you are looking at the main dashboard. We are going to create a coupon from the coupons area so you can generate discount codes that can be used in your connected Woocommerce store. Before you begin, it helps to know what you want this coupon to do, such as offering a welcome discount or a limited time promotion, because the name and settings should match the offer you are running. First, look to the left-hand sidebar and find the Content section. Select Content, and then choose Coupons. This takes you to the Coupon Management area, where you can view existing coupons and create new ones. Take a moment to confirm you are in the right place, since Klaviyo organizes marketing assets inside Content and Coupons live there. Next, go to the top right of the page and click Create Coupon. This opens the setup screen where you will define the coupon details. Creating coupons this way is useful because it lets Klaviyo manage coupon generation and distribution through your email and SMS flows, while still aligning with how your store processes discounts. Now enter a coupon name. Choose something clear and easy to recognize later when you are selecting it inside campaigns or automations. A simple format works best, such as a short word that describes the offer plus a number. Avoid spaces and special characters when possible, since clean names are easier to track and less likely to cause confusion across systems. Also, be consistent with your naming, so you can quickly identify what each coupon is for. After that, set the minimum coupon count. This controls how many unique coupons are available for Klaviyo to use. If you are planning to send this offer to a larger audience, set a higher number so you do not run out. If it is for a smaller segment, you can set a lower count. It is a good idea to estimate your send volume and add some extra to cover resends or people entering the flow later. Finally, set the expiration. You can choose an expiration that ends after a specific amount of time, such as 1 year, or you can set it to expire on a specific date. Use a 1-year expiration for evergreen offers, like a general welcome discount, and a specific date for seasonal promotions, so the discount automatically stops when the sale ends. And that is all there is to it.